If you're a kid who loves playing outside, you need to know why sometimes the air looks dirty and feels weird. Smog isn't just a funny word, it's a real thing that can affect you. So, what exactly is smog? Well, imagine smoke from cars, factories, or even fires mixing together with fog in the air. When these things meet, they create a thick, dirty cloud called smog. It's like the air puts on a muddy coat. But smog isn't just ugly. It can make you cough, hurt your eyes, and even make it tough to breathe. That's why, on really smoggy days, people are told to stay indoors, especially if they have asthma. Where does all this smog come from? Mostly from things humans do, like driving cars, burning rubbish, or running big factories. Sometimes, nature helps out too, with wildfires or dust storms. When you see smog, it's a sign the air needs our help. So what can you do? Try walking or biking instead of driving, recycle, and remind adults to save energy. Every little bit counts. Remember, clean air is happy air, and when the air is happy, so are we. Keep looking after our sky, and let's all breathe a little easier. Now you know why the air sometimes looks smoky and why clean air matters so much. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more fun learning stories.